Hi, my name is Rumbi Tunda. I'm marketing manager for Paramount Government Work. We are the largest clothing manufacturer in Zimbabwe, currently employing just over 2,500 employees with two factories, one based in Harare and another one based in Bulawayo. We are also the largest supporter of Zimbabwe Rugby, currently sponsoring the Harare Province League and also swimming into Manicaland Province and Bulawayo Province. We manufacture mainly workwear, but we also got a line of leisure wear that we manufacture and corporate wear. Our biggest brand being Javelin, followed by Salty. We've also got the Paramount brand and Archer, which is our corporate wear brand. Today, we welcome some of Zimbabwe's finest rugby players, both women and men, and we have the opportunity to show them how we manufacture the products that we sell. We took them through the process of production, and we actually got a couple of our players participating in learning how to work some of our machines. And we finished their trials by showing them what we sell and what products we sell. And a big year for them was taking home one of our proudest Paramount Garment worksuits, which is our Part 3 plain worksuit.
Firstly, just to say thank you to Paramount. Their sponsorship and their partnering with the local league has been of utmost importance. I think they are a beacon to the rest of the companies and organizations. You then would be able to spend or see value in pouring it into our local club setup. We should have massive resurgence on the pitch. There'll always be a couple that are unavailable, but we're looking forward to a very strong challenge from the old Georgians boys. Traditionally, I think they sort of came out of the peak at the right time. It's not really important how well the round robin goes. They slipped that maybe against Sports Club and ourselves, but now it's an opportunity for them to be champions. So in a little way, there's a little maybe a bit pressure off them, and for us, it's up to us to go out and pretend.